Good morning, Todd Doll. Look at this hot babe I met on the beach. Can you believe we've been hanging out ever since I've left you on the toolbox? I'm sorry you're sitting on the goddamn toolbox. It really pisses me off. You really need to get out and party. But I do have a surprise coming for you. I think I found you a partner too. She's coming up soon. I'll bring her on maybe tomorrow, maybe today, I don't know yet. I'm a little busy out here surfing. Waves are hitting pretty good. Caught a few nice peelers yesterday. Got rolled over and smashed my dick in the sand. I think I got a broken dick now. I'm not sure. It really fucking hurts though. So my new babe, her name's Jamie. She's just one of the hottest babes. She's been on the beach hanging out with me for a while. She might be flying back to hang out with her mom today. Anyways, we're having a blast. We're catching tubes. We're drinking beers. We're smoking weed. We're having a blast. I hope you're hanging in there, buddy. I'll talk to you soon. Send me a message if you can, will you?